Hey, what's good, everybody? It's Cashflow Nexus back with another video. And today I just want to keep this video really short, really sweet, really simple, and get right to it. Going back to what I was saying yesterday, I touched on whether we would get a touch at this point on the cloud, and whether we would break this area and if we could hold this area. And it looks like we are doing a beautiful job holding this area. So it looks like we had a little bear trap for all the bears out there. So that being said, this was my entry for a long position, and this was my entry for a short position. So it looks like we held this area off pretty well. It doesn't seem that we are, it still stands strong that Bitcoin is still a very bullish market. And excuse me, I said that as long as it's above this cloud, we are still very bullish, and we are showing strong signs. So this was like the last stand for Bitcoin, whether it's gonna go up or down, and it showed that it has made a significant, a movement to the upside. And looking at it, that's about total a 17% recovery from where it was, from that long downtrend. So that's not bad, and only in a 2-day span. So that's not even a full 2 days actually. So this candle has officially closed. So a day and probably a half, to say the least. But it has been making considerable comeback from where it was. So that being said, looking at it now, it's looking to be bullish. Where is it going at this point? I would say around possibly, to test out this level right here. We could be heading to 11,178. Where in between. Let's see. Let me box this real quick. We could potentially be heading back to these levels from here on out, just because of this right here, this strong rejection right here at this cloud level. This was very critical for what direction Bitcoin was going to head in. Until we see what this daily candle closes like, will be more confirmation of what could happen in the market. I would like to see it come back up to this level, test it out, and if we could break this level, this be another entry into the market. If you missed out down here, because I did say yesterday in my video that this be an entry for a bullish move. And if you entered here, you're eating pretty well right now. So amen to that. But right now we are moving up to the upside. I do like to see it, test this level again, possibly reach even higher levels, and possibly even test, the 12K, 13K level up here, which is what we could get. So, y'all are looking at my chart probably saying that's a lot of stuff going on, and how could you read all this? I'm gonna make a video on how to trade this system, the Ichimoku system with crypto. It's not as complicated as it looks. It's actually very easy to use, and very useful for technical analysis as well. So I will be making a video on that. But for now, I do see Bitcoin moving up higher. What we could potentially see, we could see it rally up here to this level, and then depending if it holds or breaks this area, if we get a hold here, what you could see is a further move to the downside, and possibly test this level again, or test this breakout here again. And if we get that, what could possibly happen if we break here? We'll probably test here again, and if we get a break here, we could possibly easily move to the 8,500 level. So, that's not nothing, that's far-fetched. It's still possible for it to happen. But right now, I just go by what I see. I react and adapt to the market. That's how I always traded. I trade in the moment. I don't trade in the future. And if I do see future movements, it's I'll make bold claims. Like I did make a bold claim that July 18th we will see a bullish movement And look here, it's happening. Bullish movement happened. You know, it's like I see the Matrix with these glasses, you know. I'm Neo in this mug. But anyway, look, we're moving up to the upside. And now that we're moving up to the upside, I do like to see, uh, you know, a test break here, you know, and a test and break in this area, this red area up here. So, you know, I don't want to talk too long. This is just my perspective on what I see for now. Just because of this hold and depending on how this closes, and you know, if we could get a test and retest here, uh, I see Bitcoin moving up higher just because of this. You know, this will you know, solidify my claim of this being a pennant and moving up higher to the upside. So next level, we could possibly see, you know, retest of the you know, the highest high of where Bitcoin has been in the past. You know, if we could get back to 20K ish area, you know, that'll be, you know, life changing for all Bitcoin traders and hodlers out there. And let's see if we could get, you know, to this level. Let me see, where is it at? If we could get a break to the upside here, what could happen, we could get a, you know, short time correction, probably back down, then, you know, possibly move even higher for that parabolic movement. So, you know, I believe, you know, looking at it from this perspective, you got to look at the slope here. This is a higher high right here. So back then, back in 2017, you know, we were pretty low here. 2018 to now 19, look at this slope. We're moving higher. So this is letting us know that this parabolic movement could potentially be higher than our last parabolic movement here. See this parabolic movement? You know, we came back down, another parabolic movement. We could move even higher. So we could very well see a, you know, 30K Bitcoin. You know, it's not far fetched. You know, seeing everything how it's been playing out and what Bitcoin has been doing these past, you know, couple months. I like to see it just, you know, just to say, hey, we were part of that. So if I was to throw, let's say this, let's do this real quick, and I'll end this video because I don't want to be here too long. So let's do that. So, all right, let's move this here. So we could very well see, you know, this action right here. At least if we get higher, we could possibly get to this level. Anything breaking after this level is just, you know, it's got to be beautiful. I do say 30K at most for now, but, you know, trade the market according to what you see, not how you feel, because your feelings will get you hurt. And we know how, you know, the human emotions can be, especially when finances is involved. So trade smart, be, you know, cautious of the levels and study your levels and study the market thoroughly. You know, I did this very fast because you know, with this style you could look at the chart with one glance and tell what direction the market's gonna head. And you know, you just gotta act accordingly, and if you move to smaller time frames you can see the momentum as well. So this is what you know, looking at a lower time frame, what could possibly happen. We are starting to see the cloud turn over, which is a good sign. You know, once you see this action right here, this turning, that's a good sign for, you know, the market to pull even higher. So what we could get a test here, bounce down a little bit, you know, and it start to consolidate in this region, then start moving to the upside. So I will look for, you know, long positions right now, just because we are very strong over the cloud. We are in a TK cross zone area right here, which is very bullish. So if we do get a bullish TK cross, which will be this red line crossing this blue line right here, that is very strong for bullish momentum to the upside, and we could easily break this zone right here and then move up even higher. So right now it's just a waiting game, and rating game, speculation game, and just being patient and being diligent, watching the market. So I hope you guys, found this video valuable. Check out more of my content. Please like and subscribe. Share this video with other crypto traders, Bitcoin traders, hodlers, everybody. I'm just grateful to God that He's using me to, show you guys that there's these opportunities out here in the market, and I hope you continue to watch my content. I have some, trading humor that I'm comedy videos that I'm working on, and I'm just staying humble and being grateful that we're in a time that Bitcoin is moving and changing people's lives and cryptocurrencies together. So thank you guys once again. God bless you guys, and stay tuned for more content. Peace.